Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. Let us talk about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Sad news we are receiving is that Mary Chiwenga was denied access to the magistrate court today after she was ferried to the court in an ambulance in a bid to try and overturn the warrant of arrest which was issued against her by the magistrate in the past week. She attended court and she was denied access, as reported here by newzimbabwe.com. They said VP Chiwenga's ex-wife, Mary Mbaiwa, has been denied entry into the courts by the authorities, saying no one enters the court while in an ambulance. Mary wanted to cancel a warrant arrest which was issued against her. So this is the situation. She attended court in an ambulance and she was denied entry at the Harare Magistrate Court. Something we continue to ask, why is it that they are persecuting Mary Chiwenga? Why is it that they are treating the judicial process as a way of punishment? My thought was that the purpose of having a judicial or having the judiciary was not to punish anybody, but was to bring, number one, equality. Number two, was to make criminals accountable. Number three, was to bring a just balance. Number four, was to make sure that the weak and the strong, they get equal justice. That is the reason why we have the judiciary. Why? Because they are very powerful people which I cannot deal with. Only the courts can deal with such people. That is the reason why courts are very powerful. That is the reason why courts are given power. But they are continuously showing us the other side by persecuting Mary Chiwenga. Myself, I'm not a fan of Mary Chiwenga. There are a lot of things which she did wrong, but we cannot say she must be treated bad just because she did bad things in the past. This is the reason why you see armed robbers, you see murderers. They get to court, they go under trial, they get their sentence, and they continue to be treated as humans. They should get their food, they must get clothing, they must get proper housing within the prison premises. So you can actually see that being a criminal does not mean you must be treated as a trash. So you can actually see that this Mary Chiwenga issue has now become more political than it is criminal. So I don't know your views regarding this matter. In the comment section, please tell me, how do you view and how do you see this move by the courts of Harare to deny Mary Chiwenga access to the court? Is it proper for them to actually say that she can't come while being escorted by an ambulance because she is sick? The only people who can handle her into the courtroom are the experienced people from the hospital or from the ambulance services, because they know how to pick a patient from point A to point B. So they know how to actually take her from her home or from the hospital to the court, and from the court back into the ambulance and back to the hospital or to her home. These are experienced people, trained people, but they've been denied that opportunity. And it means the warrant is going to continue as such. The persecution of Mary Mbaiwa Chiwenga is going to continue as such. She has failed to see her own kids. She has been calling for the intervention of the judiciary, of the president, and other people who can actually help her to have access or to see her kids. But she has been denied access to them for a very, very, very long time. And our politicians don't care about it. They are actually fighting for other things, not fighting for the rights of the oppressed people like Mary Chiwenga. So I wanted to actually show you another video, but I don't know how I will be able to do it. I don't know how I will be able to do it. Okay. So you can actually see that this is the tragedy we have in the nation of Zimbabwe, and maybe I'll come with that video of Mary Chiwenga and give you the updates of what is really happening. We want to check if she was later on allowed to get into the courtroom, but the first report is that she was chased, she was denied access and entry into the courtroom because she came through an ambulance, and I don't know the procedures they are using. So we are still looking at this matter. I'm going to bring an update about her case. If she has managed to get into the court, we are still looking for those details so that we'll come and actually update you as it is happening. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Let us continue to pray. Let us continue to register, to vote, and do voter mobilization, because 2023 is coming. In Kenya, they have decided, the results are being counted at this moment. Raila, Naruto. So let us wait to see. Between 15 to 20% has been announced or has been tallied so far from the results in Kenya, and we are going to look at who is going to actually win elections in the nation of Kenya. And Zimbabwe is going to decide next year. So be prepared, be ready to register to vote. What is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe should tell you one thing, that is to register to vote. Let us continue and mobilize for change in Zimbabwe.